Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the best woodworking tools you can get for under $150. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your toolkit, we've rounded up 20 reliable, budget-friendly tools that deliver serious value without cutting corners on quality. Let's jump right in. Multi-Crimp. The Knipex Multi-Crimp is a professional universal crimping tool with 3 interchangeable dies for MC4, Evo 2, and uninsulated connectors. It delivers high-quality crimps every time with its precision dies and ratchet mechanism. No extra tools needed. Step Cut. The Knipex Step Cut cable cutter features an innovative stepped blade that reduces effort by 40%. It cuts solid cables up to 5 times 4 mm squared and multi-core cables up to 15 mm without crushing. Available with insulated or composite handles for any job site. For $31, this tool makes scribing easy across doors, flooring, tiles, and more. With adjustable offsets, a flat base, and a fine pencil line, it's precise and user-friendly. Hoto Rotary Tool Kit. For $59, this rotary kit handles grinding, polishing, cutting, and carving. With a 5-speed motor and 35 included accessories, it's versatile for DIY, crafts, and even pet nail care. For $19, this fast-curing adhesive creates a strong bond in just seconds. With its aerosol activator and mess-free formula, it's ideal for both industrial and hobby projects. Priced at $11, this rubber mallet features a durable head, shock-absorbing fiberglass handle, and ergonomic grip. Great for woodworking, flooring, jewelry making, and more, it delivers soft, controlled strikes without damage. At $36, this industrial-grade tape delivers strong adhesion without leaving residue. It's trusted by woodworkers for CNC router applications, offering a secure hold even at high speeds. For $22, this combo includes a zinc alloy square ruler and an aluminum triangle ruler. With secure grip design, precise markings, and a locking mechanism, it's built for accurate measurements in woodworking and crafts. For $49, this kit comes with 12 carving knives, tracing tools, and cut-resistant gloves. Ergonomic walnut handles and razor-sharp steel blades make it perfect for detail carving and long crafting sessions. Corner Clamp. For $43.99, this 90-degree corner clamp is built from high-quality aluminum alloy. With a 2.75-inch clamping range and non-slip rubber handle, it's strong, durable, and perfect for assembling frames, cabinets, or boxes. Recon M1 Caliber Measuring Tool. This digital measuring tool, priced at $149, clamps to most saw fences and delivers precise readings on a backlit LCD. It eliminates the need for a tape measure, speeds up cutting threefold, and works with a variety of saws, miter, bevel, and compound alike. The Knipex DP50 pipe cutter cleanly and effortlessly cuts and chamfers 32, 40, and 50 millimeter drain pipes. Its reversible steel blade requires no tools to replace, while self-adjusting rollers ensure stable operation. Built for professional pipe installation, it delivers consistent precision and durability. The Knipex pipe cutter reduces cutting effort by up to 60% thanks to its rotating wheel design. It ensures clean, precise cuts on plastic and aluminum composite pipes up to 26 millimeters, with a locking mechanism for safe transport and ergonomic handles for comfort and control. (17) Track Saw Square. For $45, this CNC machine square ensures accurate miter cuts from -60 to 60 degrees with 11 angle stops. Compact and portable, it's a handy upgrade for track saw users. (18) Dowel Jig Kit. For $39, this self-centering jig ensures perfectly aligned holes for floating shelf projects. With included drill bits and brackets, it's a complete doweling solution on a budget. (19) Insta-Gauge Block. Priced at $29, this 16-piece set of aluminum setup blocks lets you quickly set blade, fence, and bit heights. Each block features engraved measurements for fast, accurate adjustments. 20. Wood Moisture Meter. At just $19, this tool offers both pin and pinless scanning. Ideal for lumber, drywall, and even furniture, it helps prevent warping and detects moisture before problems start. And that's our roundup of 20 woodworking tools under $150 that give you the most bang for your buck. From measuring tools to clamps and carving kits, these affordable picks are perfect for upgrading your shop without overspending. Which one will you add to your toolkit first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more woodworking gear reviews. Until next time, keep building and keep busting those chops. Press-E-Force. The Knipex Press-E-Force crimping tool ensures consistent, precise crimps with its factory-calibrated pressure and ergonomic multi-component handles. Lightweight and durable, it's built for professionals who demand long-lasting accuracy. Tubix S Pipe Cutter. The Knipex Tubix S pipe cutter features a self-locking mechanism that boosts grip power by 30%. Its smooth, parallel jaws protect surfaces, and quick adjust buttons make switching tasks effortless, durable, fast, and made in Germany. Long Reach Needle Nose Pliers. The Knipex Long Reach Needle Nose Pliers are built for precision gripping and assembly in tight spaces. Their slim design allows access where others can't, with ergonomic handles ensuring total comfort and control. Tyler's Pliers. The Knipex Tyler's pliers are perfect for cleanly breaking floor and wall tiles after scoring. With adjustable settings, non-slip grips, and high-force jaws, they make tile work quieter, cleaner, and more precise. Precision. The Knipix Precision Strip 16 offers precise stripping of fine wires and cables from 0.08 to 16 millimeters squared. Its patented mechanism automatically adjusts cutting depth, while metal clamps ensure a secure grip. Precision meets efficiency. Pipe cutter. The Knipix pipe cutter provides clean, burr-free cuts on composite pipes up to 25 millimeters in diameter. It features an exchangeable blade, locking device, and reinforced ergonomic handles. Lightweight, reliable, and built for tight spaces. Cobra XS. The Knipix Cobra XS offers one-handed fine adjustment for tight spaces. Measuring only 100 millimeters, it grips up to 28 millimeters in width and 24 millimeters across flats, delivering precise handling and durability in a compact form. #7. Dual Spindle Dowel Jointer. At $139, this jointer offers both single and double drilling with variable depths up to 38 millimeters. Its adjustable tilt fence locks anywhere from 0 to 90 degrees, making it perfect for strong, angled joints. And that's it for our list of 20 impressive Knipix tools that every pro should know about. If you enjoyed the lineup, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tool highlights and reviews.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.